Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture number 5, unit number 5 of electrical machine, I am going to discuss about power stages in an induction motor and some relationship between the rotor copper loss and rotor input, rotor output, torque, etc. I am going to develop. एक्चुअली आप देखेंगे कि ये नॉलेज होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। अगर आपको पावर स्टेजेस के बारे में मालूम है, यू कैन सॉल्व एनी प्रॉब्लम विद द रिलेटेड इंडक्शन मोटर से रिलेटेड। एक दूसरा क्या होता है, अगर आपको ये सब फार्मूला मालूम है तो यू कैन फाइंड द एफिशिएंसी, यू कैन फाइंड द इनपुट, you can find the output like that. Anyway, so I'm going to start with these power stages. In case of power stages, suppose we know in case of induction motor we are giving electrical input and motor का काम क्या है, conversion of electrical input to mechanical output in the form of rotation. So it will convert electrical energy into mechanical energy. Okay, now here we are going to discuss about three phase induction motor. So input क्या दे रहे हैं हम, three phase. किसको देते हैं input? Stator को. So you can say input to the motor or you can say it is input to the stator. Let us say P1. So I am going to discuss this part. Let us say P1. This is P1 is what? Input to motor or input to stator. It is P1 and formula P1 का क्या होता है? P1 equal to what? √3 because it is a three phase motor. VL IL cos of phi. Line voltage, line current and power factor. √3 VL IL cos phi. This is the P1 input to the motor or you can say input to the stator. Okay. Now out of this power loss, this is the power loss. कहाँ होगा ये पावर लॉस? स्टेटर. दैट इज में दो लॉस होंगे, एक होगा कॉपर लॉस, स्टेटर कॉपर लॉस, स्टेटर कॉपर लॉस, यू कैन से स्टेटर कॉपर लॉस प्लस स्टेटर कॉपर लॉस, स्टेटर कॉपर लॉस प्लस स्टेटर आयरन लॉस. स्टेटर कॉपर लॉस क्या होता है? 3I1 square R1. That is the stator copper loss. Okay, so this is the loss will take place. So P1 is the input to the stator or input to the motor minus this loss you will get P2. What is P2? Output of stator equal to what? Input to rotor. So it is input to rotor P2. Out of that loss will take place here, rotor copper loss, rotor losses. रोटर लॉसेस में क्या आएंगे? दो पार्ट, एक होता है रोटर आयरन लॉस एंड दूसरा होता है रोटर कॉपर लॉस. रोटर कॉपर लॉस, रोटर कॉपर लॉस का मतलब क्या होता है? I2 रोटर करंट I2 स्क्वायर इंटू R2 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3. दिस इज द रोटर कॉपर लॉस. रोटर आयरन लॉस दो पार्ट होते हैं, एक होता है WE एडी करंट लॉस और दूसरा होता है हिस्टैरिसीस लॉस WH. नाउ एडी करंट लॉस का फार्मूला क्या है? KE F square B max square thickness square. क्लियर. WH हिस्टेरेसिस लॉस क्या होता है? KH F B max रेज टू X, और X होता है 1.6, 1.5 से लेके 2.5 कुछ भी हो सकता है, बट फॉर ए high grade silicon steel it is 1.6 into volume V. Now here you can say it is depending on the frequency square and it is depending on the frequency. And we know under the rotating condition rotor frequency F2 equal to S F1. F1 suppose करो 50 हर्ट्ज है, स्लिप मान लो 4% है सपोज, तो 0.04 इंटू 50 अराउंड 2 हर्ट्ज आएगा. So comparatively stationary condition this loss is negligible because frequency is very less, so this is negligible, this is also negligible, so no eddy current loss, no hysteresis loss, so this rotor iron loss is negligible as compared to rotor copper loss. इसका मतलब है जो भी रोटर पे लॉसेस हो रहे हैं वो क्या है? ओनली रोटर कॉपर लॉस. Okay, now out of this rotor input to the rotor losses you will get, it is what? Rotor output. Rotor output. Okay, and it is represented by PM. And this PM converts, this rotor output converts into what? Mechanical power. Mechanical power and develop gross torque TG. It develops the gross torque TG. Again इसमें से फिर से कुछ लॉस होगा, उसको बोलते हैं मैकेनिकल लॉसेस. मैकेनिकल लॉसेस मतलब कौन कौन से? फ्रिक्शन एंड विंडेज लॉस. फ्रिक्शन एंड विंडेज लॉस. So this minus this you will get the output of motor. P out, output of motor. Okay, so this formula is output of motor in mechanical output. It is a output of motor means mechanical output. It is what? Mechanical output. And it develops the torque T shaft. It develops the torque T shaft. Clear? And this mechanical output will be in, rating will be in horsepower. Generally rating काय में रहता है? Horsepower. So this is the complete is called as power cycle or power stages of induction motor. If you know this P1 losses अगर मालूम है you will get P out. If you know P out, you know this losses you will get P1. तो यहाँ से शुरू करेंगे तो ऐड होते जाएंगे, you will get P1. और P1 मालूम है तो यहाँ सब्ट्रैक्ट करते जाएंगे, this minus this equal to this, this minus this equal to this, this minus this equal to this, like that. Okay, and once you know P out and you know P1, you can find the efficiency like that. Anyway, so this is the power stages. Okay. Sometimes some losses will not be given. लॉसेस नहीं दिए हैं, इनपुट दिया है तो आउटपुट निकालना है, तो कैसे निकालेंगे? सम रिलेशन, अदर रिलेशंस वी विल यूज. या आउटपुट दिया है, इनपुट साइड आना है, तो वी विल यूज सम अदर रिलेशन. सो आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस दिस पार्ट. ओके, दैट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन स्लिप एंड इनपुट पावर टू रोटर. एनीवे वी विल डेवलप. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं आपसे एक बात करना चाहता हूँ. Sorry. This relationship we are going to use. So just P, if you know P out, मोटर आउटपुट, दिस इज व्हाट मोटर आउटपुट इक्वल टू क्या होता है, वी नो दिस फार्मूला 2 पाई एन टी अपॉन 60 एंड दिस टी इज नथिंग बट इट इज ए टी शाफ्ट। आउटपुट अगर आपको चाहिए तो टी शाफ्ट मिल जाएगा। सिमिलरली अगर आप रोटर आउटपुट लेंगे दैट इज पी एम, so output of rotor equal to what, 2 pi upon 60 is there. What is the speed, rotor की speed क्या होती है n, और torque develop होगा that is tg। output of motor, output of rotor will give that gross torque tg, output of motor will give that shaft torque tsh। Okay, similarly we have output of rotor, output of stator, output of rotor, output of stator, P2 equal to what, 2 pi n 60 tg, 2 pi n t upon 60. But what is the stator speed? Stator is not rotating, speed is 0, but stator field is rotating with synchronous speed ns. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. So from P2 minus Pm, what is the P2 minus Pm? P2 minus Pm क्या है, P2 क्या है, रोटर इनपुट, आउटपुट ऑफ स्टेटर मतलब रोटर इनपुट, रोटर इनपुट P2 माइनस Pm इक्वल टू क्या आएगा, 2 पाई अपॉन 60 tg कांस्टेंट, 2 पाई 60 और tg कांस्टेंट है, क्या आएगा इधर ns माइनस n। So you will get ns minus n, ns minus n. Okay, so from 3 minus 2 minus 1, equation number 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 if you करेंगे, अगर आप करते तो P2 minus PM, P2 minus PM, 2 pi common, TG common, 60 common, so you will get ns minus n. This is equation number 3 we will get. Now equation number 3 divided by P2 मतलब 2, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2। सो क्या मिलेगा, P2 माइनस PM, P2 माइनस PM क्या है, व्हाट इज द P2 माइनस PM? P2 इज द, P2 इज व्हाट, स्टेटर आउटपुट और रोटर इनपुट, और ये रोटर आउटपुट है। सो रोटर इनपुट माइनस रोटर आउटपुट क्या होता है, रोटर कॉपर लॉस। रोटर कॉपर लॉस क्या है, 2 पाई TG अपॉन 60 ns minus n, this is 3 upon 2 क्या है, what is 2, this upon P2, upon P2 मतलब क्या है, ये 2 पाई TG upon 60 और क्या बचा ns। So 2 pi TG will be cancelled, 60 and 60 will be cancelled, you will get ns minus n upon ns is nothing but it is slip. It is slip. So we will get one formula, rotor copper loss. Rotor copper loss equal to what, S into P2. S into P2 मतलब क्या है, S into P2 मतलब rotor copper loss equal to S into rotor input, S into rotor input, that is RCL, rotor copper loss. So we will use this formula. One more formula we want to discuss, mechanical power developed, that is PM and slip. So mechanical power developed मतलब what, PM in and slip का relation. Okay, so what is PM? अगर पावर साइकिल देखेंगे तो PM इक्वल टू क्या होता है, PM इक्वल टू रोटर आउटपुट इक्वल टू रोटर इनपुट P2 प्लस रोटर कॉपर लॉस। बराबर है ना भाई। P2 क्या है? P2 is the sorry rotor. P2 is the rotor input minus rotor copper loss equal to rotor output. So you will get P2 minus rotor copper loss क्या है? ये है S into rotor input, that is P2. So PM rotor output equal to what? 1 minus S into P2. So please, this formula we have rotor output equal to 1 minus S into rotor input. So 1 minus S 0.98 वगैरह आएगा into P2. So ये PM will be less than P2. So this is the formula we will use to solve the problem. So ये दो फार्मूला अगर आपको मालूम है and कुछ लॉसेस नहीं दिए, we can solve the problem. Okay, so I am going to discuss one numerical here. Clear? To understand purpose से I am going to discuss. Just here, this is the problem we are going to discuss. Okay, this problem I have given a 3-phase 50 Hz 6-pole induction motor has a full load power output of 15 kilowatt. Please here, ये दिया है, इससे क्या मिलेगा? फ्रीक्वेंसी इक्वल टू व्हाट? सप्लाई फ्रीक्वेंसी F इक्वल टू पी एन अपॉन 120, PNS upon 120. So from here you can calculate NS. NS equal to क्या होगा? 120 into F कितना है? 50 Hz upon P. P कितना है? Number of pole 6. So 6000 upon 6 equal to you will get 1000 RPM. पहला स्टेप आपको ये करना ही पड़ेगा. क्या पूछा है क्या नहीं पूछा छोड़ दो आप. F equal to PNS upon 120, you have to calculate NS 1000 RPM. Okay, next, full load. A induction motor has a full load power output of 15 kilowatt. P out is given. Full load power output, motor output, power output मतलब motor output is given 15,000 watt. So this is given 50,000 watt at 950 RPM. Actual speed n कितना दिया है? N 950 RPM. This is given. The mechanical losses are given 750 watt. I will discuss this point later on. Stator loss is given 1500 watt. Find the slip. पहला आंसर slip. Slip equal to क्या होता है? NS minus N upon NS. This is the slip we have. NS minus N upon NS. NS कितना कैलकुलेट किया हमने? 1000 माइनस N कितना दिया है? 950 RPM अपॉन 1000 इंटू 100. अगर आप मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे यू विल गेट परसेंटेज स्लिप. सो 50 इंटू 100 अपॉन 1000 you will get 5%. That is a slip. 5% we got. Okay, now if you see the power stages, what is the power stages? This is P1, stator losses, P2 rotor copper loss, PM mechanical loss, P out. This is the power cycle, power stages we have studied in the earlier slide. Okay, so second we have to find the rotor copper loss. Okay, P out is given. कितना दिया? 15,000. This is given 15,000. Now mechanical losses is given 750. So this is given, this is given. Can we find PM? Okay. और एक चीज क्या दिया है? ये क्या दिया है, स्टेटर लॉसेस, दिस इज गिवन, स्टेटर लॉसेस 1500. Okay. So first of all we will start from here and we will go from here to here. So PM equal to what, PM equal to what, P out minus की plus, it is सबसे कम ये रहेगा P out. So P out plus mechanical loss, we will get mechanical loss 15,000, 15,000 plus 750 equal to, we will get 15,750 watt. 15,750 watt we will get PM. That is the rotor output. Okay. Now P1 is known, nahi diya. Okay. Now you know PM, okay, and you know slip. So you can get the rotor P2. P2 equal to what? We got the formula. P2 नहीं मालूम आपको, दिस इज नहीं मालूम, ये नहीं मालूम तो ये भी नहीं मालूम. क्लियर. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यहाँ ये मालूम है PM इतना आ गया. ओके. सो वी नो द फार्मूला PM इक्वल टू व्हाट, PM इक्वल टू P2 इक्वल टू व्हाट. यस, P2 इक्वल टू PM P2 minus PM, P2 minus PM equal to what? Equal to what? Rotor copper loss. This is known. PM is known. Okay. So slip is known. What we will do? Rotor copper loss is what? S into P2. Rotor copper loss equal to what? S into P2. So here P2 is not known. P2 is not known. Slip is known. Okay. So we can't find the rotor copper loss directly. Now we know P2 is known. Okay. So can you tell me what we have to do? I'm going to use the calculator. Yes. PM is known, rotor output is known, P out is known, so PM is known, right? So PM equal to what? Rotor input okay. So rotor copper loss equal to S into P2. So rotor copper loss equal to होता है. So from here, from this expression, P2 minus PM equal to S into P2. So we will get PM equal to, from here PM equal to क्या होगा? P2 minus S P2, that is 1 minus S into P2 equal to PM. Now slip is known, PM is known, you can find P2. So from here, so PM equal to कितना? What is the value of PM? 1,000, 15,750 days 1 equal to 1 minus S is known 0.005, 0.05 into P2. So P2 equal to, we will get P2 equal to what? 15,750 upon 1 minus 0.05. It is what? 0.995. So by using the calculator, sorry, 0.9, just wait, 15,750 upon 0. Sorry, this is not 0.995, it is 0.95. 0.95. So 15,750 divided by 0.95. I am getting 16,568. 16,579. 579 watt. This is the P2 we got. So we know P2, we know PM. So what is the rotor copper loss? The rotor copper loss equal to what? P2 minus PM. P2 equal to what? 16,579 minus PM is what? 15,750. So we will get 16,000 5, sorry, this difference is, sorry, this difference is, I'm getting 16,000 this minus 15,750, 750. I'm getting 828, 829, 829 watt. That is the rotor copper loss. That is the second answer we got. Rotor copper loss, 829 watt. Third, rotor input P2. P2 is, we got, this is the third answer. 16,579. This is the third answer. Rotor input P2. Fourth, torque developed. That is a gross torque. So I'm just, okay. So I'm just not going to use it. Okay. Next, पूछ रहा, क्या पूछ रहा वो? Fourth part is what? Torque developed. So we know output equal to what? 2 pi n t upon 60. That is the gross torque, 2 pi n tg upon 60. Now output of what? Output of rotor Pm equal to rotor speed n. So you know this 2 pi, you know n, you know 60, you will get tg. So from here tg equal to what? 60 into pm. Pm kitna hai? You can see there pm from here. Pm equal to 15,750. 15,750. 60 into pm upon 2 pi n kitna hai? And actual speed is 950 rpm. So you will get pm. So okay, so you will get the tg equal to 15,750 into 2 pi. It is okay. So I'm getting 158.3 Newton meter. So in this way you will get this. Okay, that is the fourth answer I got. Torque developed. And efficiency I have to find. So efficiency equal to क्या होता है? Efficiency last equal to P out upon P in. Okay, P out upon P in. So first of all we have to calculate P in. P1 equal to what? P2 plus P2 plus stator loss is 1500. P2 कितना है? What is the P2? 16,579. 16,579 this plus what? 1500. So we will get P1. P1 equal to, I am getting 18,079 watt. Now efficiency equal to P out कितना है? 15,000 upon P1 कितना है? 18,079 into 100. So you will get 82.96%. That is the last answer we are getting. So everything you will get, अगर आपके पास फार्मूला मालूम है, relationship between stator input, rotor output and slip, you will get all these quantities. So this is the efficiency of the motor you can get. Okay. तो मैं यहीं रोक रहा हूँ, वीडियो थोड़ा सा लेंदी हो जाएगा. So in this lecture I had developed the power cycle, power stages like this. Clear? Then relationship between slip and rotor copper loss, relationship between rotor output and rotor input in terms of slip, and we have solved one problem. Okay, so I am stopping here only. In the next presentation, in the next lecture, we will solve few problems related with the power stages. Okay, so I am stopping here. Thank you very much for listening me carefully. You are requested to subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you.